You ask 20 people to drink coffee, you ask 20 people 1, 2, 4, 6 to take our RG and GL, you ask 20 people to take spirulina, you have vision 20. Now, each one of them ask another 20 people to drink coffee. One day, you have 20 diamond, am I right? One day, they have 20 diamond, am I right? How much do you get per month? $5 million, 5 million peso a month, which is almost to $1 million a month. That is our objective. Now, let's say you take you 1 year to develop one line, it take you 20 years to reach the 2020 vision. Is the 5 million come overnight? It never come overnight. It come over a span of time. Let's say it come over a span of 20 years.